G'day and welcome to my garage. Let's see, goes that way. Yeah, I drilled a blind hole and tapped that out to M6. That took a fair bit to do without breaking the tap. I put a little bit of a flat on there and marked it with black. And I'm just going to fit this up. And I think you can see I've got that centering punch that I did for the spindle head screw. I've got mounted in here. So let's just fit this up. Where is it? It's there somewhere. Should have known better. Do it every time. Tighten one up, well, by hand, only to have to loosen it off again to get the other one to line up. There's that socket. It's not going to fit in there. Not enough. Still have you. Yep, it's left a mark. 40 millimetres. So I've got to mark that. Got to mark that 40 millimetres. Oh, here comes the rain. It's very annoying. Okay, I've just had to remount this spindle. This is going to be the spindle for the cross slide carriage screw. I've already done one for the spindle head screw. Now I've got to do one for the carriage screw. So just aligning this back up again. Okay, runs pretty good. So this has got to come down to about 11.85. That will make it a nice fit, not too tight for the bushing. Don't need that anymore. Some light on the subject. I know this is at 15 millimetres. I've got to come down about 3 mil. Engage. Can't remember where I'm at now. Oh, 15.16 was the old city. 14.16, I've come down a mil. Should have come down a millimetre. A little bit more, so we're 13.05. Another mil will bring me down to 12. So that's half a mil. Half a mil. Quarter. .2. Look at this stringy stuff. So we're at 11.9 at the moment. I think I'll just take a light skim over that. Actually, might hit that with some sandpaper. Beautiful fit. Just clean that collar. Clean it up in the corner there. Beautiful. Turn it around and knock the other end down. Well, I've turned the shaft around. Now the coupling has to fit on, and we need a shoulder in here of 6mm or 1/4 inch. So I've already put it at 1/4, we'll just mark that. Just check that. 6mm. 6.5, so we can go a little bit more, but that doesn't matter. It's not critical. .88. 11.9. So we've still got another mil to come off each 2mm. So we've got 9.9. I wanted 9.8. So another 2mm off, or 1mm off the radius. So that's 1/4. That's 1/2. .9, so it was 1mm, another 1mm off. That's 1/4, that's 1/2. Wrong one, silly. Where'd it go, that one? I thought, man, I took too much off. It was the wrong one. So 9.99, 9.86, 86, 86, 13, 6.5, 0.6.5, 0.65, 0.3. Oh, we'll just skim a bit off. 0.3. That's it. It's 0.03 by the way. I need a loose fit anyhow. Good. Because that acts as a, it allows the screw to move a little bit. Okay, that's that one done. Clean up soon. Well, we have the parts made, the carriage nut, the plate for the carriage nut is fitted, lead screw, carriage screw, coupling and spindle. It's got a little bit of play in there to allow for any misalignment that might be happening. The two rivets are nails. Been drilled, nails gone through and then peened over. We have a washer and the handles been drilled to 12mm, and yes, I'm going to replace this with a proper set screw when they arrive. So let's put it together. This plate's got to go on first. Okay. Yes, on the both handles I still have to put a a handle. I'm still working that one out. Some backlash there, must be in this. I'll address that later. Alright, so that's the moment that part finished. Now this slide here is a work table, and then that gets some 25 by 6 mil plate. So those are screwed to there, and some 25 by 6 plate screwed to there, and this is only the temporary table. There's still a permanent table to be done later on, but for the moment this is just the temporary table. So we'll say see you later, and we'll catch up when I start doing this work table. See ya.